Well, don't you think a trainer might be of some use, helping you train with proper technique? And
I just don't have time in the morning. So I get up, I don't have time to do hair, makeup.
what about in the evening? You don't have to work out in the morning.
Well, after work, I have friends, meetings, functions, I have shopping, cleaning the house.
So I've just gone through your par queue. I see there's a lot of things that you don't eat. What do you eat?
I don't do asparagus, I don't do red peppers, I certainly don't do Brussels sprouts. Mushrooms I can kind of get along with. I don't like broccoli.
Well, would you ever have like a salad?
Salad I can kind of do as long as there are like a lot of croutons, like ranch dressing I love. Maybe bacon bits too, yeah.
Do you eat tomatoes?
Oh, you know what? I don't really know much about that, and it sounds a little complicated to me, so I'd rather just keep it simple and just maybe walk around my neighborhood.
You don't think that your kids want to see you as a strong 70-year-old lady?
Yeah, I'm sure they would, but what about injuries? Like, I hear a lot of my friends who work out that they get all these injuries and they're off for like months, and I don't want to hurt myself. Walking, I think, is just a safer bet for me. Well, I think that if I go to the gym all the time, I'm going to look like a guy. Like, I don't want to have bulging muscles. I don't want to look like, masculine.
I don't know what to do.
They always tell you before any exercise program, consult your doctor. And I think it would be best if I consulted my doctor on this one before getting started.
Your feet are the foundation for much movement. Your feet are the springs and levers that cushion, balance, brake, pivot, launch, and grip. Your feet distribute your weight, share your burden, and take you places. Your feet are 26 bones bound together for life. Protect and care for them.